Hello kiddos. Let's trace small ABCD using only black color. So let's start. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
A for asparagus. B for balloon. C for caterpillar. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grass. H for horse. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.